Sissy? Why the fuck are you on the sidewalk? What? You better get the hell off the sidewalk. Just because I'm up here are you fucking kidding me? You're gonna shit on the sidewalk and that's why you're not allowed on it. I'm sitting here trying to eat dinner. Sissy, you're a rude bitch. Oh, hell no. Lucy, Goldie, I swear to God, if there is any more poop on the sidewalk, there's gonna be issues. Take your ass into the grass. Because I sit here and eat dinner doesn't mean everybody has to come up and shit everywhere. Goldie? That's right, you better run for your fucking life. You're gonna be a chicken nugget.